broadcasting an educational purposes only channel. No children!
Good morning, Gromy. Today is Saturday, August the 15th. It's time to give the ladies a feed. We got a little bit of a storm early this morning, but everything was dried up. I checked my catch pans and everything was dry, so we're gonna do it because we got a chance of storms for the next couple of days. So I'm gonna give it to them now because it is that time. Oh, let's see what we got here. Oh, come on now. Of course you would cut off on me. Oh. 6.45. We will roll with it. I have been, when I started off on the run, I was using 70 fish, 30 bloom. Oh, we were in a good veg. I switched to 50-50 pretty much. If I had my head screwed on at the time. and I should have did the flip to 70-30 last week, but we're going to do it now. So in a 5-gallon bucket, we got 7 tablespoons of more bloom and 3 tablespoons of fish, and that's 2 tablespoons per gallon, and that's what we're going to roll with. And I'm probably going to go next week. I'm probably going to drop it to straight bloom. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how they like what I'm giving to them now. Cast peyote form is furthest along in flower now. Of course, Slurilla Z has been long gone. Praying away, looking fine as kind. And then we got Miss K's sexy rock smelling haze. I really like the structure on this plant. Nice spacing on there. She is praying away. They like that little rain they got early this morning. Mr. Man's blueberry. I keep forgetting to get my tape. I might pause my video here in a minute. Go get a measurement on it at least. But it's looking happy. A little yellow one going on here and there, but like I said, we're getting ready to hit her up, and I'll probably give them some worm castings and a cow mag maybe Wednesday. We'll see how it goes. See, I got a little bit of lockout just on this one branch showed up here a couple weeks ago, so I've laid off of it, and you can see that it's came out of it. But yeah, a little patches seem to be doing all right. I didn't even tape that one up. I just tarred it up. Slap some tar to it. I seen a little damage. Hit it with some tanglefoot, baby. Work with what you got. I've had that for over a decade, I promise you. Yep. That little burn there is from when that leaf was touching on this. I'm gonna paint these scrog decks next year. They get very hot, and then the little leaves that wind up touching on it get burnt. But it be what it be. These dog is humid as hell already. And I think it's what, 10:30 maybe? A little past that. Anyways, let me get these things, get the water and going, or the feed going here, and I'll be right back. Okie dokie. That worked out pretty good. I got just a little runoff. It will soak that up with no problem. Cause I hit this one with a gallon and a half. And I just hit this one. I didn't water anything else. I gave this one a fast gallon and a half, and I got a little bit of runoff, so it'll suck it right on up. I guarantee this is gonna be some big ass colas. Big ass colas, my gosh. What am I gonna do, Grummies? Might have to get some damn fans. Might have to get some fans for later on this year. We'll see. Won't be the first time I've had fans running out here. That's for sure. Alright, let's go jump on Miss K's Rock Melon Haze. I sure hope we're through with the stretch on this Rock Melon Haze. I might have to put a third deck up on this crazy thing. Miss K's always trying to put a damn spell on me. A damn old mountain witch. I'm just fucking with you. I love you, Kay. Yeah, but everything I've grown in Miss K's has been fine as kind. Dandy candy. All three of her genetics I ran last year. Was it 3 or 4? Oh my goodness, what did I run? That was 4. I ran the Jack Mob, Rising Shiva, Strawberry Tea, and what the hell was the other one? The Blanket. Yep, the Blanket. That Blanket was a nice one too. I had the blanket over there. I'd accidentally topped it and it split. But that was the one everybody wanted the most, was the Blanket. Motherfuckers didn't leave me much to smoke of that, that's for sure. Alright, I'm gonna throw a gallon and a half to her. Back in a flash. I'm gonna be at this for a minute, for sure. That'll be, 4.5 gallons. That'll leave me a half a gallon to go around and do my little autoflower with. And then I'm gonna mix a whole nother batch for the veggies, but I'm gonna go 7 tablespoons of the fish and 3 tablespoons of the bloom. See how that goes. I got 1 quart wrote down on there, but that's actually 1 quart, and that's 2 quarts. It be what it be. I get tarded sometimes, you know. I am a stoner, remember? Oh my goodness. Back in a flash. Okay, ducky. I just measured Mystery Man's blueberry. It is 5'6" from the top of the pot to the top of the plant. I'm okay with that. I will not need no motherfucking ladder this year. This is a perfect size plant for me. It's gonna be easy to decorate. Our Charlie Brown Twistmas tree. If the hurricanes don't get me, keep your fingers crossed. All right, I'm gonna give a gallon and a half to this, and I'll meet you over there at our little dinky autoflower. Back in a flash. Okay, dokie. It worked out just about perfect. Got a little runoff. Got my half a gallon there. I need to do some training, a little training. I need to bring that branch on over this way. Anyways, I ain't got time for that shit now. Alright, let's go on over here and catch our little fucking autoflower. I got to get out here and do a little bit yesterday. I got all my broccolis and cauliflowers thinned out. Got 2 to a pot. I left 3 in this one. because that biggest one I accidentally knocked all over. Didn't know whether it was going to make it. So I'll probably take that middle one out. Anyway, got in here and cleaned this all out. Got my scrog deck out. Sucks I had to fucking stop my little experiment. In fact, I'll go get my damn par meter and we'll take a look now. But yeah, this little one here sat out there with the rest of the veggies for like 3 damn weeks, getting pounded with intense sunlight. It did not stretch. It didn't do any of this branching here until I brought it in here and put it underneath this 60% shade cloth. It didn't do none of that. So I'm definitely going to rerun this experiment next spring. But let me go ahead and give her this half gallon. And I might run in the house and get my par meter just so we can see what kind of par we're pushing. At 11 o'clock. I think it's about 11 o'clock right now. I gave Mom all her antibiotics here a little while ago in her pick line. Now I gotta run in and get her lunch going. She tried to pull some shit on me a minute ago, thinking she's gonna get up and go to bed while I'm out here doing shit, so I could go in there and find her laying on the floor. I had to put a stop to that. I said, you wait till I get back. I'm gonna make your lunch and then I'm gonna help you get to bed. Back in a flash. Okie dokie. Well, that was a waste of my time. Go in there and get my power meter, come out here. And I got cloud cover. But yeah. You damn sure ain't getting pounded with some heavy duty intense sunlight, I can tell you that. Hey. My plans for next year is about mid-March, get me 4 autos out here and see what happens. And then come June, have the autoflowers harvested and 4 photos out here to take the place. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. You know me, you know I like to fly by the seat of my pants most of the time. Right? Alright, Grummies. I gotta go tend to my mom. I got so much bullshit going on, as long as I know which end's up. But hey, have a fantastic weekend. I appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace. Still no cigarettes. I'm doing good. I'm out of here. Peace.